I want to presentation.
I want to
I
give you
want to
presentation.
give you presentation about e-learning and classroom, the difference of e-learning and classroom.
Okay.
So first, online learning is we the online learning a form of training of or teaching over the internet, a widely used tool or teach and train individual or for both academic and corporation. And online learning have two categories. One is synchronous and asynchronous. Synchronous is similar to the traditional classroom in that two are meeting at a particular time via audio, video streaming, or a chat room. And the example is like like phone call, video meeting, Zoom, instant messaging,
Okay.
live customer support, in-person meeting, and so on.
Okay.
And then asynchronous is allow you to work at your own time and pace with periodic communication with
Instructor.
Takes a lot of patience, motivation, self-confidence, dedication, and a general knowledge of using computer. And the example is like a web server can handle multiple user requests without waiting for one download to finish before start another. And then we move to the advantage of e-learning. Advantage of e-learning is time saving, lower cost, and provide for various online tools, easy schedule, like uh, flexible schedule.
Okay.
And then this advantage of e-learning is needed internet connection. Proper knowledge of computer is needed. Student must be self-motivated.
Student.
Oh yeah, student. Lack of interpersonal communication.
Okay.
And then we move to classroom learning, a place where students share learning experience with other students.
Okay.
Benefit for asking your question and getting the answer immediately by tutor.
Oh, okay.
Advantage of classroom learning, direct access to the instructor in class, better communication between the tutor and student.
Okay.
Computer research are not needed. Offer to participate participate in cultural and sport activities.
Okay.
But disadvantage of classroom learning is class instruction is not available after the class session is over. Schedule
Schedule.
schedule may be hectic.
Yeah.
Lot of schedule.
Yeah. lot of schedule. We need to
Mm-mm.
prepare everything
Yeah,
in one
in
day.
one
Maybe we
day.
have three or four
We have
subjects.
to prepare everything and so busy.
Mm-mm.
And then need your physical presence.
Yeah, of course. We need to with our physical presence, of
Yeah,
course.
physical presence. Ex- Expensive than online learning. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
it's true. And conclusion.
Mm-mm. In conclusion,
Conclusion.
mm-mm.
Study is uncomfortable in the online learning system to student
So,
like to prefer a teacher in the classroom teaching. Online courses are not suitable for all the students and will not be able to replace the traditional classroom.
mm,
Any question?
yeah, I have many questions.
What?
Okay, so thank you for your presentation. Um, my question here is about the first. I would like to ask about the how we can have time saving for online classroom.
Time saving.
Time saving.
It's because the flexible schedule, so we have a lot of time that uh,
Oh.
free. I mean, like you not have to go to the school, so we
Mhm.
have so much time
Oh,
to
I
spend.
see. Okay.
Yeah. And then mostly we spend e-learning maybe 2 hours or 1 hour like that.
Oh, I see. But it's different with the traditional classroom because we
Yeah,
need more
like
hours.
all day
Oh,
at school.
yeah. It's like working, yeah, not learning
Yeah,
maybe in
like
traditional
work.
classroom. Okay, the next question is why the disadvantage of a learning is lack of interpersonal communication? Because in here in synchronous in synchronous it's said that similar to the traditional classroom in that you're meeting a particular time via video streaming or a chat room. So it explain, you can imagine you are learning today English but online, so you have a schedule at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. yeah, this evening, this afternoon, but your teacher is giving you online. So you are in front of the laptop and the teacher at 1 p.m.
The
give you
material.
the material. It's the synchronous, but different be asynchronous. I think the asynchronous is same like you with the PKPN. Is
Oh
I think
yeah,
it's asynchronous because what is it?
allow you to
Eh,
work.
allows you to work at your own time. For example, you have a assignment
Yeah.
from the PKBM, right? And you can finish it
Choose.
whatever
Yeah. You
uh,
can choose the schedule
the
too.
schedule yourself.
Yeah.
So it's depends on you.
I'm still confused with
But you
the.
don't have teacher. I mean, you don't have teacher
Yeah.
to explain because you only have like a web, like a
Mm-mm.
web. The material you read by yourself,
But don't
and the
have
assignment
a
you
teacher.
finish yourself.
Yeah, like that.
I think.
And that's why I still confuse the system actually. Like we doesn't have like the tutor. The
Yeah.
tutor like that
Hmm.
focus on us. We just by the material like we learning
Your
by
own.
yeah myself my
Mm-mm.
own self
So I
like
think
that.
this is the difference between the synchronous
Yeah,
because this
and
gonna still
synchronous.
have a meeting, yeah, maybe.
Yeah, still have the teacher.
Uh, Similar to traditional particular time, right? But asynchronous is allows you to work at your own time and pace with periodic communication with the instructor.
Mm-mm.
Maybe I mean pace with a periodic communication with the instructor. If you have any question, you just can ask or
Yeah.
maybe WhatsApp, yeah, chat your
Yeah.
teacher, but not like
To
live streaming,
explain.
yeah,
Yeah,
not live streaming.
and then not to explain the material
Yes,
too.
but this is we have to start to explain the material.
Yeah.
So what was my question? Yeah.
Lah iya tadi.
So why? I mean, in here in synchronous we can meet the tutor even though it's online. But why the disadvantage of e-learning is lack of interpersonal communication? Can you explain more? Mm-mm. Lack lack
Interpersonal
communication.
communication.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe because the signal it
Mm.
can be like
Okay.
if lag or disconnected, it
Mm-mm.
will be very disrupt.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah yeah yeah. Stop.
Apalagi tuh.
Moreover,
Wherever if the classroom like the Zoom meeting it have many students on there,
oh
but
yeah.
one student disconnected, so that student doesn't know the lagi aja
Okay, thank you.
doesn't know the material like that.
Oh, so it's lack of interpersonal communication because we are limit to have direct communication.
Attention to like
Direct
that.
attention, direct communication. We cannot what's it communicate with our friends even though in Zoom, yeah, in
Yeah.
that platform we can communicate it directly with them.
Yeah,
Because
because so
if we
many.
communicate directly with them, it's
The
disturb the
teacher is
class.
no disturb the teacher too.
Okay.
Yeah, gitulah.
Okay, my next question is the hmm, this one, the expensive than online learning. Why? The disadvantage of the traditional classroom will be expensive than online learning.
Because the classroom or the regular school is spend more time, and then they have so many teacher and so many material too, and more like more focus, I mean detail
Mm.
more than the e-learning, because e-learning is like we have to motivate ourselves like
Oh.
by your own self, but the class in the regular school you have teacher that always stand by and always help, ready to help you with any struggle like that, and we have many apa ya, and it have like apa sih namanya, more like more discipline.
Oh,
Iya kan?
classroom ya, traditional classroom.
Classroom.
Yeah, more discipline and because we race with the time.
Yeah.
And also we need the transportation to take our class, right?
Yeah.
Because we need to go to the school, so it
Mhm.
what makes the expensive, what is it,
Yeah.
the expensive way.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, the conclusion is about the study is uncomfortable in the online learning. So in this point, do you mean that online learning is uncomfortable?
It,
Because you explained that study is uncomfortable in the online learning. So it means that online learning is uncomfortable in this point.
uh,
Not thinking about that.
actually it depends on the on the student, but mostly the student that choose online learning is uh, student with work, like they have a busy time, they have to spend the time for learning and for work like that, it can be, but if just a normal student that really needs to learn so much, it's recommended to to
Have.
have a regular school like that, because online learning is like we have to really have a big motivation to move, like apa ya, to berkembang apa, to grow,
Yeah, to grow.
to level up your apa, your knowledge, kalau knowledge
Yeah.
bisa ya,
Yes, your knowledge.
knowledge like that.
Mm,
And mostly like the online learning is adult, not for kids, because the
Oh.
kids is more hard to be focused like that. So that's why the regular school more expensive, because the teacher is watching. I mean, like the teacher is always
Standby.
standby.
Okay.
Always make
Also.
the labil student focus like that gitulah.
Oh, okay. That's why it's more expensive because of that. Yeah, because we need more teachers, of course. Every one subject, one teacher.
Yeah.
And then we use the teacher, what is it, knowledge, yeah, the teacher knowledge, and also the teacher energy to control the class with
Yeah.
so many kids. Oh, like that. Okay, the last question. Online courses are not suitable for all the students and will not be able to replace the traditional classroom. So do you agree with this? Because even though we have traditional classroom, but we only have the knowledge from there, the classroom. But if it's online, we can find many. I think if we have online learning, then we will have more creativity. Not more creativity, yeah. What is it? More motivation to read more because we learn by ourselves. But if in the traditional school or traditional classroom,
That
we only follow what our
what,
teacher said,
yeah, yeah.
right? You have homework, you have to do that, you have to finish that. But we don't have self motivation. We don't have self motivation. What do you think? What is bigger, self motivation or motivation by teachers or by outside, by the social communication, maybe by the social
Actually,
environment?
the more that change you to be motivated is by yourself.
Oh,
Yeah, like if we we love something, we want something, you like the natural apa ya, natural
desire.
desire is like you have like you will hard to do anything for what you want. I mean, gimana ya jelasinnya ya, like if you motivate by yourself, like you want to learn by yourself, if that's more uh
Change you.
more change you and more motivate you by daripada
Then
then anyone beside you, walaupun itu teacher like that, even teacher.
yeah, and then also in a traditional class, I mean the student that join the traditional class, they just spend their time to they feel enough because they got the material from the school. They already feel enough, and they don't want to, what is it? They don't want to look more knowledge outside of the school. I
Yeah.
think it's
Some teacher like that, but I experienced that. I have a teacher, but it's my teacher was lebih muda gimana, like younger, like maybe a millennial gitu lah. They say they jelasin apa? Explain about the material from school, but then he was explain about more material that that doesn't have in school like that.
Oh,
Like more apa ya?
more detail,
More detail and kayak apa sih namanya nyari apa?
more insightful.
Nah, insightful. So sometimes the student is explain about more than
Teacher.
the teacher than the material in school like that.
Oh, nice.
Kadang juga in when when the homework too it's like different lah. Gimana ya mbak jelasnya, aku kadang ribet sendiri.
Okay,
Kayak,
okay,
tapi
got it.
paham kan
Yes, I got it. I
gitu.
got it. Yeah, it's a good teacher that give material. I mean the adding material, yeah. Then
Kayak
from
tambahan
school,
gitu lah.
yeah, the adding material. It's good teacher. But if
Jarang, it's so rare like that.
yeah. But mostly, I mean, the students, yeah, it's from the teacher. The teacher give more knowledge than from school, right?
Yeah.
But mostly from the students feel enough only to study from school, but they don't want to study
To
outside. I
outside.
mean, yeah, they don't want to study outside. If they study from the school, then it's enough. After home, after get home, uh, yeah, they use their activity to play. For example, they don't want to know more. Maybe they do not want to get more knowledge from themselves. I mean, what I said before, self motivated.
Yes.
Self motivated to know more. Maybe they feel not enough with the teacher's material or the teacher explanation. They need to, what is it, to study more, for example. So I think the students, yeah, lack of motivation
Yeah.
because yeah, they just follow from the school but doesn't have self motivated to learn by themselves. I mean, inside naturally from themselves. Like I want to study more, like reading more, for example, reading more than books and reading books,
Yeah.
more books, yeah, not only from school but from library, for example. That's why we have library in that school because maybe it's not enough to study from the teacher,
Oh,
but
yes,
we need to read ourselves more, to read more ourselves from the library because so many books that impossible the teacher will explain more, will explain all,
Yeah.
like that.
But sometimes it depends on the teacher too.
Mm-mm.
Some teacher can like to motivate the student to like to to search more like that. It can be, but some teacher is yeah lazy too. So it have to be self motivate. I mean like self motivate is number one lah kalau
Yes,
you
yeah,
want
because
to
it
change.
comes from inside
Because
ourselves, right?
from inside.
Self motivate.
Because who make you change is yourself, not anyone.
Okay, I got your point. Thank you for your presentation. Thank you for answering my question. And see you next time.
Okay.